My name is Shane, and I'm here at Rensselaer Honda. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this 2023 Honda Odyssey Touring into the ultimate tailgating vehicle. Alright guys, if you're familiar with the Honda Odyssey, then you know how easy it is to fold this third row seat down. All just by pulling that strap, and in one swift motion, you get a nice flat surface for storage. Now for tailgate mode, it's going to be very similar with one minor change. And I'll put the seats up so I can show you how to do it from the beginning. Now you want to do the same thing, just pull the strap. The one change is, instead of letting it fold into the trunk, you're going to want to expand it until you hear the click. That's when you know it's locked into position. Do the same thing with the other side. And once again, don't let it fold into the trunk. Expand it, and then you know it's in locked position, and you're ready to go. It's that easy. Now you got the perfect tailgating seat. Keeps you out of the sun, or if it's raining, it'll keep you out of the rain, and you have a nice comfortable spot to either watch your kids' baseball game or even tailgating at a football game. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you did like the video, please feel free to follow our channel, and if you have any questions, comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Alright, thanks guys.